Okay, they're now doing the second area. This is where all the stuff was yesterday, if you remember. There's the workshop right there for reference. You can see it's looking really good. You see they move a lot of stuff. There's the table, there's the couch sections, the refrigerator, the TV stuff. You can see it's all taken out. There's the middle table, the closet doors. And here's the, I don't know what they're talking about on the radio, but it's being bleeped out. Here's more couch sections, the footrest. They put the workbench back, well, for the most part. Just have it over here for now. But yeah, here's all the new flooring. You can actually walk around now. Look into there again. And didn't concrete in the hallway, as you could tell. And go into the closet. You see, everything looks good. You notice I took off the drain hose for the cabana line and put the ceiling tile back because cabana's gonna get opened in a couple of weeks. So I just left the ceiling tile off for where the main valve is, which is right there. That'll be opened in like a week or so, maybe a couple of weeks. Yeah, everything looks good. You notice the safe will be cleaned off, but this is a section of old flooring that they couldn't remove. I think because the safe is sitting on it itself, so they just went around it and used it as leveling. So I guess they're going to put the tiling over that. So, and this stuff you won't see obviously once the tiles go down. Some drywall got ripped off when they took the molding off, but that's easy enough to fix. And the circuit breaker closet, nothing. They didn't do anything in there, I don't think. This is hey. What you're hearing rubbing is a little weather seal. It's not the door itself. Oh yeah, this is where the some stuff is. Yeah. See, unfinished area. There's the central vacuum canister. So far so good. Like I said, safe just needs to be cleaned off, but that's easy enough to do. Okay, here's where we are so far. So things are looking good right now. And this should all be finished later in the day. Progressing nicely. Now, for height purposes with the door, they actually did cement in the water closet. But we don't know yet if they're going to tile in there. I don't think they really have to because it's still an unfinished portion. I think they could just leave it to cement like that, and it should be fine. I mean, how often are people going to open that door? I mean, seriously. Even if they do, big deal. It's such a small area. Well, it could be good for the water pipe, actually. Well, I'm just talking to myself, sorry. But actually, if they don't tile in there, we're still trying to figure out what kind of piece they could put under the door, like a piece of marble or something, just to give the tile a border if it goes there. You know, it's kind of hard to tell, because I mean, trying to tile in there and work around that water pipe is going to be pretty hard. I figure out something, I guess. So all I gotta do is finish this, and then I think they'll be finished for today. Coming out great. Okay guys, it's a little after It's about 9:30, actually no, 9:15 p.m. And they have finished for the day, so the concreting portion is all done. And we'll have a look inside the main area. I call it the main area or sitting area. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but it looks really good. Everything looks all level. We currently have the entrance closed off, obviously, because this area inside, past the half wall isn't ready for foot traffic yet. This area is okay, though. So, good progress here. And I think next week the tiling is going to begin. We still need someone to get the the platform for the hallway here. Not quite sure how that's going to go yet, but we'll figure it out. Again, everything in the workshop here, and workbench is mostly back in place. Got all the furniture like you saw earlier. So yeah, right now my voice still sounds much more softer than it did before the concrete cement was put down. And you know what? It's actually interesting. When we had the floating laminate floor, my voice was actually more ambient. I think that's the right word. And then when we uncovered the original floor, it got more absorbed. And then when we put the concrete cement, whatever it is, over the original floor, now it sounds even more absorbed. So, like I said, even with this just by itself looks pretty good. But I mean, it is kind of sandy and everything. So. But just, wow. And so I guess, yeah, the floor is going to get done first. They're going to have to replace this marble piece by the bathroom because now that's going to be lower than the floor because, the floor, this concrete brought the floor up a little bit. But the door to the utility room looks okay. And that's all good. Furniture's all around. And they actually did do a little bit of cleaning. If I go to the safe again, they cleaned it off nicely. Actually looks pretty good. Maybe just the bottom area there, but that may get covered by the tile. The tile is not going to, block the door or anything. Don't have to worry about that. Door is good. And remember, I told you I took off the drain hose and put the ceiling tile back up there for when I opened the cabana. So, yeah, pretty minor update video today. They just continued what they did yesterday. Yeah, they did inside the water closet too. Like I said, I don't think they really need to tile in there, and like I said, if they do, it's going to be kind of hard going around the water pipe and everything. I mean, who's going to see that? It's a door into an unfinished area. You can see the foundation wall behind it. And I may have mentioned in the previous clip, but the furniture now is probably going to be like it won't fit directly under the screen, but it'll probably be just in front of it. It won't be in front of the white part, but we barely use this thing anymore anyway. Ever since the flat screen HD TVs came out, it really doesn't serve much purpose anymore. But yeah, that's basically it. Everything's coming along nicely. So next video I'll make will be of them actually installing the tile, provided there's areas that I'm okay to walk on, because the tile's got a set and everything. And I'll probably get a video once we get this platform going in here again. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for today. Just a minor update video, continuation of yesterday. And hope you enjoyed, and we shall see where it goes from here. Thank you for watching, and take care.